Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is on a recent iOS release and you know the device passcode. Once done, plug into power and connect to Wi-Fi so the phone won't interrupt you. Next, open Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, then authenticate with your current code. This first actionable step puts you into the area where hidden password settings and account recovery options live, so proceed without delay. Once inside, go to Passwords or Passwords and Accounts to find saved credentials. Authenticate via Face ID, Touch ID, or the device passcode so the system reveals hidden entries. Now locate the account you want to change, tap it, then tap Edit to update the stored password. If you need a new hidden password method, enable or adjust auto-fill passwords and select a password manager. Make sure to save changes and verify by attempting to sign into the service to confirm the update. Finish by saving edits and testing the login for the account whose hidden password you changed. This confirms auto-fill and keychain synced correctly. If you use iCloud keychain, make sure you are signed into iCloud and keychain is toggled on so changes propagate. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone first, then sign out and back into iCloud or reset network settings as a last resort. These steps restore sync and usually resolve failures to reveal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.